In this video, I'll detail how to show time on home screen on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to show time just like this, you can say this is my local time and this is an international time on my iPhone. And you want to show time just like this on your iPhone home screen, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to show time on home screen in iPhone, all you just need to do is press and hold your home screen like this to make it editable. Then once the entire applications are jiggling, click on the edit button at top right. Then here you want to click on add widget. Then once you click on add widget here, you should see the time widget on this space. And if the time or clock widget is missing, just come to the search widget here and search for time or search for clock. Then select clock. Once you selected clock, you see different clock format here that you can add to your iPhone home screen. So here I'm just going to go ahead and add this to my iPhone home screen. Then click on add widget. Then once you tab add widget, it's going to say the time added to your iPhone home screen. Then you can just go ahead and click on done. Then once you click on done, the time will be added to your iPhone home screen. So that is basically how you can show time on home screen on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.